Hello everyone, this is Ajit from Catalyst class. So today I'm going to talk about the area of plane figures. Okay, in that we will discuss about the rectangle and square. Okay, so first I will take the rectangle and after that we'll learn about square. Okay, so how to find out the area. Okay, so we know that the rectangle where the opposite sides are equal. Okay, so I have created the rectangle here. Okay, and let's rectangle is A, B, C, and D. Okay, where AB equal to BC, okay, and AD equal to BC. We know that in the rectangle, opposite side are equal. Okay, so how to find the area of the rectangle? So area of the rectangle equal to length and breadth. So what is the length and what is the breadth? So length is the DC length. We are seeing this is the length. Okay, I have considered. So the symbol is L centimeter, and breadth is BC. This is the B symbol. Okay, and B centimeter. So suppose if I'm writing here the centimeter, this is also the centimeter. So area of the triangle is length into breadth. So length is L into breadth is B, and length is centimeter, L centimeter, and breadth is B centimeter. So it will be the centimeter square. Okay. So if any question is coming where the rectangle are given and length and breadth are given of that rectangle, so how to find out the area? So it's a simple formula is area of the rectangle is length into breadth, and that will come as a square whatever the measurement will be there. So length measurement in the centimeter or meter, okay, and breadth is also centimeter or meter. So depend on that the area of the that particular rectangle will be the either centimeter square or meter square. Okay, or we can convert later also. Fine. So now question come is, if the area of the rectangle is given, okay, so how, and length of the rectangle is given, so how to find out the breadth? So we know that the area of the rectangle equal to length into breadth centimeter square. So if length are given and we need to find out the breadth, so that's the area of rectangle by length. Similar way, if we need to find out the length and area of the rectangle is given and breadth is given, so we can find out the length also. So length will be the area of the rectangle by breadth. Okay, now the next question is, what is the perimeter? Okay, so what is the perimeter of the rectangle? So it will be the total area covered. Okay, total area covered. So the sum of the length of the total area is covered. So what is the length of the length? That means the length of the AB plus length of the BC plus length of the CD plus length of the AD. Okay, so perimeter is equal to length of the AB plus length of the BC plus length of the DC plus length of the AD, equivalent to nothing, 2 times, okay, length of the length, and 2 times length plus breadth, I can say, because this length is same to this length. Okay, this length is same to the this. Fine. So 2 times length into breadth, length plus breadth. Okay, so this is the perimeter of the rectangle. So now we will talk about the square, how to calculate the area of the square and what is the perimeter of the square. So for a square, I will draw the diagram. Okay, uh, so we know that the square, okay, what is the square? Square where the all sides, okay, all the 4 sides are equal. So if I say the square ABC, square A, B, C, and D, the square ABCD, all the side is equal, means AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Okay, so it can be any length. So suppose all the side is x centimeter. Okay, so how to find out the area of the square? So area of the square will be area of square equal to, okay, length into breadth we say in the rectangle. So similarly length into breadth. So if I consider the one side is a centimeter, okay, this is also become the a centimeter. Fine. This will also become the a centimeter. This will also become the a centimeter, because all the sides of the square is, length of all the sides of the square is same. Okay, so now area of the square will be length. If I consider the length into breadth, okay, so length is a and breadth is also b. So a into a and centimeter into centimeter, that will be the centimeter square. Okay, so a is centimeter, a is centimeter, b is also centimeter. So centimeter and centimeter also become the centimeter square. So it will be the a square centimeter square. Okay, so this is the area of the square, is nothing but the side ka square, any of the side square. So now we have achieved the area of the square is length into breadth. Length is a and breadth is a, so it will be the a square. Okay, perimeter of the square is all the sides, length of all the sides. Okay, sum of length of all the sides, that is build the square. So that is the AB length plus BC length plus CD length plus DA length. So it will be the 4 times A. Okay, centimeter. Okay, and now length of the diagonal through the Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the length is BD in a right angle triangle BCD. Okay, so BD square equal to CD square plus BC square. Okay, BD square equal to CD square plus BD square, BC square. So uh, BD square equal to CD is A square plus BC also A, so A square. So BD square equal to root 2 A square. So BD equal to finally root 2A. So that means we can say, so diagonal of the square is equivalent to root 2 times of side of the square. Okay, so thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please share the comment. Okay, thank you very much.